For everyone's understanding, I created a second layout. So we have two settings here, size and transparency. For everything to work correctly, one finger must be held on the size setting to increase or decrease, and another finger to switch between joystick and sprint. Don't forget, when you switch between joystick and sprint, your finger must always be on the size setting and slide between small or large. For me, 120 size and 30 transparency is perfect. 2. Sprint is an important factor. It must not be higher than 96 or lower than 90. I don't think there's any point in explaining why, but for those who real lie don't know, if the sensitivity is less than 90, the movement will be very weak, slow, and if it's over 96, it will very quickly get stuck in auto sprint. I think we all know what the result is with all these settings on joystick. Two, camera rotation while ADS off. I think we all want to have precision when we aim, where we look for the target to open. I want you all to be careful how, when I set the goal, its accuracy is incorrect. If the aim is not precise in a certain point, it becomes difficult to control. More precisely, it moves on the inclination of the finger. So what I want to explain here, if you notice when I open the aim, the target is placed where it was before until I open it. Let's understand. When you open the scope, he must have a fixed route. Even if you move out of it, he must remain fixed. He is not allowed to swing. 3. Best attachments for M416. Look like for your M416. First-time barrel extender in front. A 3x scope. Of course, tactical stock and extended quick draw. And most importantly, the laser grip. Often in most tournaments, the laser and barrel extender are banned. You are not allowed to play with them on M416. So I made a secondary slot. It's almost the same. You just need to change the barrel extender with compensator and the laser grip with angled grip. 4. Always play in Team 2 gives you higher coverage in certain areas. I am now in Team 2. Did you ever try to shoot above these wood and you couldn't? And now I'm in Team 1. In Team 1 for this box, the cover is much smaller than Team 2. And there's move works on both sides. You should stand on that and fire. Expire. 5. Tutorial for the phases in the intro. The pre-wire was made. The enemy has two entrances, from the left or in front of me. Sound is a sense. The enemy is following you. You will approximate when he will come out, and you have to fix your aim as perfectly as possible. High ground is the second best position. It has a significant factor for aim. The enemy ran after the concrete slab, but I made pre-fire to be safe. I went outside very little to make him think I was coming towards him. As you can see, he fell into the trap. I created my position after ready, then I entered and exited.